Canva is an amazing online design platform that makes it easy to create professional looking designs, even if you're not tech savvy or a graphic designer. But did you know that you could make money with Canva templates and sell them as digital products on Etsy, other similar marketplaces, and on your website? In this Canva template series of videos, I'll be walking you through the entire process of everything you need to know about starting a Canva template business, the legal stuff no one talks about, and how much money you can expect to make, how to deliver your goods, how to price your Canva templates, and so much more. So if you are looking for a way to make some extra money, make sure to watch this video until the end and stay tuned for new videos that will cover the additional topics. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits by teaching them the exact steps needed to scale their business to a full-time income. So if this is something that interests you and you want to grow an impactful online business, make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So why use Canva to create templates? Well, Canva is a user-friendly design tool that anyone can master, even if you have zero graphic design knowledge. You will be able to create something beautiful with the littlest of efforts. And another reason why many people choose Canva is that you could start designing projects with a free account. You could also upgrade to Canva Pro, and that will give you additional features that you could use. If you're interested in trying Canva Pro for 30 days, I will leave in the description box below my referral link. I also love that they have the desktop and mobile app, making designing more accessible than ever before. So another question that I normally get about templates is, who buys Canva templates nowadays? Well, as a small business owner, you know time is money. And there are many business owners that really don't have the time or resources to create all of their marketing materials from scratch, which is where pre-made templates that you and I might sell come in handy. Buying these Canva templates saves time and money while still creating high quality materials that represent their brand. This is why Canva templates are becoming increasingly popular among small business owners. So it is time right now for you, right, to jump on board and start making passive income selling Canva templates. So I wanted to start this video series by covering the legal aspect of using Canva for commercial purposes. And I want you also to check out Canva's terms yourself. I will leave the link in the description box below. And at Canva, content can be either free or pro. And you can use the free content at no cost, or use the pro content, which does require a license and covers all of the content that they offer, from photos, icons, illustration, videos, audio, font, and templates. Now, if you're using Canva, like the free account, the pro content is watermark. And the only way you could remove the watermark is by paying the design fee of $1 or subscribe to Canva Pro, and you would not be required to pay anything extra. Now, when I create Canva templates, I use all of the free content in case some of my customers only use the free Canva account. So they're not expected to upgrade. Now, please note that unless it's a template created for use on Canva, the template brings your customers back in design in Canva, right? You can't use pro content in templates of any nature, including templates for website, social networking websites, document projects, or otherwise for distribution and or sale to third parties. In addition to everything I discussed, you want to ensure that you don't use any of the pre-made Canva templates as your own design. These were created by independent creators, and you could use them for inspiration, but make sure that your final template required some effort and is different. And I'm excited to be teaching you how to start a Canva template business. Let me know in the comments below if you plan to start one. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to show me some love by giving a like, and I will see you in the next video.